Welcome back to Kids Learning Express. Today we are going to see use of a and an. Okay, we are going to write a before consonants letter. The first letter consonants letter means we have to write a. The first letter vowels mean we should write an. Okay, we will see the exercise now. The first one dash hat. H is a vowel or consonants? Consonants. It means we'll write a. Okay. Next dash all. The first letter is A, E, I, O, U. O is there, no? So we will write an owl. Okay. Next dash is get. The first letter is a consonant letter, so we will write a. Okay. The fourth one dash is a ship. S is a vowel or consonants? Consonant letter. So we will write a. Okay. Fifth one dash egg. The first letter is A, E, I, O, U, vowel letter. So we will write it here an. Okay. Number 6 dash ink pot. I is a vowel, so we will write an. Dash pencils. This P is a consonants letter, so we will write a pencil. Dash apple. The first letter is a vowel. A, E, I, O is the vowel, no? So we will write an apple. Okay, ninth one dash plane. P is a consonant letter, so we will write it here a plane. 10th one dash house. H is a consonant letter, so we will write it here a house. Next dash octopus. O is a vowel letter, so I am writing an octopus. Dash tiger. Tiger is a consonant, so I am writing here a tiger. Dash pen. Pen is a P is a consonant letter, so I am writing here a. Dash ice cream. I is a vowel word, so I am writing here an. Dash ostrich. O is a vowel letter, so I am writing here an. Dash is a elephant. Dash elephant. A, E, I, O, U. The first letter is E. So I am writing an. Dash book. B is a consonant. So I am writing here a. Dash umbrella. A, E, I, O, U. This is also vowel, no? So I am writing here an umbrella. Dash fan. F is a consonant letter, so I am writing here a fan. Dash butterfly. B is a consonant letter, so I am writing here a butterfly. Okay children, thank you for watching this video. Use of a and an. Tell your mama to some more words, keep like this and practice at home itself. Okay, if you have any doubt in this, please ask me in comment so I can clarify with you. Okay, please subscribe my channel. Please like my channel. Please subscribe and click all button. So whatever video I am uploading, it will come to you. So you can easily read and enjoy my videos. Okay children, thank you for watching this video.